Hi friends, welcome back to my 90 days English speaking challenge. This is the day 4. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನಾನು ಶಾಡೋವಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನ ಫ್ಲೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಶಾಡೋವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನಂತರ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಹೇಳುವುದು. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ಶಾಡೋವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸಿನ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸಿ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ today's shadowing. You will never guess what I did last week. My friend Raj invited me to a party at her new house last Saturday. I arrived at the station near her house a little early. I called her on my phone to say I would arrive soon. She sounded busy. She said, "I'm cooking, so can you come straight upstairs to the kitchen on the second floor when you arrive. The front door's open." I said, "Okay." It was my second visit to her house, so I found it easily. I opened the front door and went in. It was very quiet. I guessed I was the first guest to arrive. I needed to use the bathroom on the first floor. So I shouted up the stairs, "I am here. I am just going to use the bathroom." I went into the bathroom and shut the door. When I came out of the bathroom, a few minutes later, however, there was a middle-aged man standing outside the door. He looked terrified. "Who are you?" he said. And then I realized that I was in the wrong house. Raja's house was the next door. Great job guys. This was the my day 4 shadowing practice. Please subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾಳೆಯ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Keep practice and speak confidently. Bye.